Steel teeth, spinning fury, total wood carnage. Welcome to Green Tech, where we showcase the most dangerous shredders crushing their way through anything in sight. It's big, it's bold, and it's exactly what you didn't know you needed. That's a 550 horsepower wood shredder on screen, built for serious volume. These industrial giants, built tough by names like Dopstad and CBI, can chew through 60 to 90 tons of logs and pallets every hour. Most run on a hydraulic-fed system with auto conveyors, keeping the operator at a safe distance. The real beauty? One man and one control panel handle it all. Now watch how it tears through full trees like matchsticks. Unlike many box-style grinders, the TG5000's open tub lets larger chunks drop in smoothly. The flared rim helps guide logs into place without jamming. That kind of design really shines when handling mixed yard waste. It's not just smart, it's simple and reliable. That bright mulch isn't just for looks. It's dyed to make landscaping pop and last longer. The color helps hold in moisture, deters weeds, and slows fading under the sun. It's a practical upgrade, not just cosmetic flair. Watching that jammed rock finally crack loose was pure relief. Jaw crushers use immense pressure to crush rock between two plates. When one rock refuses to break, it can clog the whole system. That sudden pop wasn't just satisfying, it was the sound of the machine finally breathing again. That dual-shaft beast chews up metal like it's cardboard. It's slow and steady, but don't let that fool you. Torque wins over speed in the world of scrap. The REBX baler packs a serious punch in a portable frame. Designed for mobile use in places like disaster zones or demolition sites, this 2-ram system compresses bulky radiators with ease. It's fast, strong, and easy to relocate between projects. For yards that can't commit to a full-time baler, this thing fills the gap with muscle and mobility. Over 80,000 old vehicles scrapped in just 2 years, yet Kazakh roads are still clogged with junkers. The state program pays people to recycle, aiming to reduce pollution and boost local car manufacturing. But clearing out this rolling trash takes more than payouts. The Ferritech facility shows how hard proper automotive recycling still is in practice. And now, a moment of silence for this beautiful Lexus. It's always wild to see a luxury car meet the claw. This Lexus gets stripped, crushed, and recycled. Proof that nothing lasts forever, not even luxury. It's the ultimate showdown. A smart car, a Skoda, and a massive Porsche Cayenne versus the mighty Titan 950. This shredder is an absolute monster. Watching it tear through that wide-body Porsche is insane. I can't wait to find out what the artist plans to do with those shredded pieces. That's recycling turned into art. This is a great look at specialized materials recovery. Laminated glass can't be recycled with normal glass. This equipment is designed to delaminate it, separating the glass shards from the valuable inner PVB plastic layer, allowing both materials to be repurposed. One wrong move near that gas tank. Chills. A reliable double shaft shredder is a key asset for any scrapyard. It provides the initial volume reduction needed to streamline the entire sorting operation. Here we see the Copex S-Wing 1,000-ton shear in action. This 190-ton heavy-duty model uses a Lidex shear head to apply immense hydraulic force, first compressing the roll-off bin with its wings, then shearing it into dense, transportable scrap. This level of force is essential for processing large-scale industrial scrap metal efficiently and safely, preparing it for the furnace. This is the first crucial step in tire recycling, breaking down the structure for material separation. That DIY water pipe trick with a garden hose is a classic move. It really does make the tires shred easier. And I totally believe the weekly fuel filter change, it's a common headache. By the end of the week, these machines can really bog down when they're processing tough, dirty material like this. It's the reality of the job. That's quarry work in a nutshell. Blast, push, sort, repeat. Bulldozers move mountains so loaders can size the rock for market. It's dirty, noisy, but it's how driveways get built and cities grow. Nothing fancy, just raw earth turned into something useful. Shredding concrete with rebar is one of the toughest jobs you can throw at a machine. That steel rebar wants to wrap, bind, and destroy everything. But this ARG's 250 impactor is designed for it, using brute force to crush the concrete while ripping the steel apart. This is how you separate the two for recycling, turning demo waste back into usable aggregate and scrap. Three guys with BR800s and a billy goat loader? That's a serious fall cleanup crew. Those Stihel blowers push like jet engines, and the debris loader turns piles into vacuum-packed mulch. Satisfying to watch, and probably the cleanest curb on the block afterward. The FM6DD may be compact, but its power is no joke. With 40% more output than the electric model and twin reversible blades, it handles garden waste like a champ. Plus, at just 84 pounds, storage and maintenance are a breeze. The JMC engine cracker is perfect for salvaging high-value metals from used engines. It separates aluminum, steel, and copper parts for easy recycling. If you're in the scrap business, this is the kind of tool that turns waste into money. This is why shredding is so awesome. It's not just about destruction. You get purer metal, which is worth more money, and it's way easier to transport. Plus, you can even recover gold from old electronics. It's like a modern-day, high-tech treasure hunt. Recycling wind turbine blades isn't easy, but it's essential. These massive composites are difficult to break down, yet new tech is finding ways to reuse the fibers and resins. The Clue KSG-1X is compatible with most compact excavators and mini loaders. The dual blade system increases efficiency while reducing downtime. Paired with the SK252's smooth single-pump hydraulics, it's a practical combo for stump grinding on tight job sites. For large-scale land clearing or biomass operations, a unit like this Pezzolato is the gold standard. Having the 1150 horsepower chipper, Volvo truck, and Epsilon crane all integrated means maximum uptime and efficiency on the job site. The ability to produce calibrated, uniform chips means you're creating a premium product, not just getting rid of wood waste. It's a serious investment for serious production. This shredding setup is industrial recycling at its finest. Whether it's wood, plastic, aluminum, or cable, this line separates, breaks, sorts, and readies waste for reuse. With magnetic and optical separators, granulators, and more, it's like a recycling factory on turbo mode. Look at that single shaft shredder just chew through those dense plastic blocks. It grabs them with its teeth and doesn't let go until they're tiny pieces. So much power in a compact machine. Mobile shredders like this, AK565, are key for sustainable waste management. Instead of trucking bulky waste to a central facility, the processing plant comes to the source. This dramatically cuts down on transportation emissions and allows for on-site recycling of materials like wood and construction debris, turning waste directly into a resource. This is fascinating. It's a multi-stage process to harvest precious metals from circuit boards. After shredding and crushing for size, they use magnets for iron and then density sorters for heavier metals. The final step, electrostatic separation, uses static electricity to pull conductive metal particles away from the non-conductive fiberglass. It's like high-tech gold panning. Shredding old furniture is tricky because it's a mix of materials: wood, particle board, fabric, and metal hardware. A powerful, high-torque shredder is needed to tear through it all without getting jammed by the different components. Watching these cars get destroyed is oddly moving. Each had a journey: families, road trips, late-night drives. But everything ends. And when it does, machines like these help close the chapter with dignity. Let us know in the comments. Type 1 if you thought our video was interesting, and 0 if you thought it was boring. I love this design. The Dipperfox SC400 uses a high-torque, slow-speed mechanism, which is brilliant. Instead of relying on speed, it uses pure rotational force to grind the stump. The smart gearbox optimizes that power, making it incredibly effective for a compact excavator attachment from Estonia. powerful mix shredder is the first step in diverting massive amounts of waste from our landfills. This complex system of sorters and shredders ensures that materials like metal, glass, and plastic are recovered and put back into the economy. This is a great illustration of e-scrap processing. After manual sorting, shredders liberate materials, and then density separators use vibration and air to sort plastics from valuable metal fragments. So clever. Saw something you liked? There's a lot more where that came from. Hit that subscribe button and come back to Green Tech for the next round of unstoppable, jaw-dropping machine power.